everybody, Drew here from North 40 Fly Shop in Lewiston, Idaho. We're out here in Kooskia to check out Nature Spirit with my buddy Thomas Lamphere.
How's it going, buddy?
How you doing, Thomas? He's going to give us a tour around the facility and show us some of the materials that they make right here at Nature Spirit. Let's go take a look.
Got the warehouse. So this is our stock house. This is where all of our finished product lies. We have whiting, literally just bins and bins of product. From threads, we've got synthetic product from Hemingway, strip goose biots, we've got CDC, everything's tubbed, categorized, and it just goes on and on. Probably about 4 times as much product in this warehouse as you think. Ostrich, deer, pheasant, marabou, saddles, schloppens, hand-selected feathers, you name it. This is all finished product of that. This is where we do all of our deer, elk, bear, moose, fox. Everything that's a natural hide is in here waiting to be processed. We currently have deer hair dyeing. This is rusty brown. We've got regular brown. We've got medium down. There's beaver back there, olive. Every one of these totes is actually a synthetic dubbing that we use called emergence dubbing. In its bulk form, it literally looks just like that. Then we break it apart, make it into our dubbing. We mix it in a few different things, along with having its own style. Even coming in here to our drying room, we've got a few colors of marabou that are hanging up, and this will all be processed on Monday.
There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching this video. Thomas, thanks for showing us around.
Not a problem, buddy.
If you want to get some Nature Spirit products, come in and see us. I highly encourage you to come check out what Thomas has at our shop. If you have any more questions, please give us a call. Stop on in, check us out on our social media channels, and thanks for watching.